In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add guides in PowerPoint in just around 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned PowerPoint user looking to polish your presentations or someone who's just getting started, understanding how to use guides in PowerPoint can significantly improve your slide designs, ensuring your elements are well aligned and your presentations look sharp and professional. Let's dive right in and see how you can master the use of guides in PowerPoint. First, you'll need to open your Microsoft PowerPoint application. If you're working on a Windows machine, you can find it by searching for PowerPoint in your Start menu. For Mac users, you'll find it in your Applications folder. Once you've got the application up and running, you're ready for the next step. After opening PowerPoint, you'll be presented with the opening screen. This is where you can choose to start a new presentation or open an existing one. If you're following along with a specific presentation in mind, go ahead and open your file from here. Simply navigate to the location of your PowerPoint file, select it, and click Open. Now with your PowerPoint file open, we're going to head over to the View tab. You'll find this at the top of your PowerPoint window, among the other tabs like Home, Insert, and Design. The View tab is your gateway to managing how you see your slides and work environment in PowerPoint. Clicking on it will reveal several options that affect the overall appearance of your canvas. Within the View tab, look for the Show group. This is a subsection within the tab that contains several functions related to what elements are visible on your screen as you work in PowerPoint. The options here include grid lines, notes, and most importantly for our purpose today, guides. Now, to actually see the guides on your slide, you'll need to check the box for Guides. Once you do this, you'll notice two dotted lines appear on your slide by default. One horizontal and one vertical. These are your guides and they're incredibly useful for aligning text boxes, images and other elements on your slide. But what if you need more than just the default horizontal and vertical guides? Well, PowerPoint allows you to add more guides to suit your design needs. To add a guide, simply right-click on one of the existing guidelines. You'll see an option to add either a vertical guide or a horizontal guide. Select the one you need and a new guide will appear on your slide, which you can click and drag to position wherever you like. Adding additional guides can help you create more complex layouts, ensure consistent spacing, or align elements that aren't centrally located. Remember, there's no limit to how many guides you can add, so feel free to use as many as you need to get your slide looking just right. Here's a pro tip. Holding down the Shift key while dragging a guide will help you position it more precisely by slowing down the movement. This can be especially handy when you're trying to align multiple elements across different parts of your slide. In summary, guides in PowerPoint are an invaluable tool for anyone looking to elevate their presentation's design. By starting with opening your file, accessing the View tab, and enabling the Guides checkbox, you can start utilizing guides to improve the alignment and overall aesthetic of your slides. Remember, adding custom guides is as simple as right-clicking and selecting the orientation you need. We've now covered everything you need to know about adding and using guides in PowerPoint. You're well on your way to creating more visually appealing and professional presentations. Practice with these features, experiment with different layouts, and see how guides can transform your PowerPoint slides. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to dive into your PowerPoint application and try adding some guides to your next presentation. Remember, a well-structured presentation can make a significant impact on your audience. Happy presenting!